Mira, carnal, in the Sancho life, bro, it gets very complex, bro. It's like a Swiss Army Chile. This is customizable. You have a whole toolkit. Cuando tienes pinche control de tu third eye, carnal, when you have full pinche control over everything, güey. Haz de cuenta que I have a switch, bro, que me hago el vasectomy así nomás con la mente y me hago el reverso, güey. Y en veces, no sé, güey, I don't want to say too much. There's a lot. There's 36 chambers of discernment que viene con este pedo. Es tu total package, güey. Tú estás enfocado solamente on the instrument. Ay, hey, the carpenter, what kind of nails? Hey, pendejo, he just made you a whole pinche house, cabrón. And you're focusing on, hey, what kind of hammer? Hey, güey, hasta sin hammer, güey. Con el puro pinche mouthpiece, güey. Con el puro pinche, ay, espérate, Juvie. Oh my God, you're giving me epiphanies. No, hombre, tienes todo el pinche toolkit, güey. Luxury lengua. Espérate, I brought Chile too. Espérate, Y there's levels, bro. Yeah, pero se me hace que tú eres white belt, bro, because you're looking at the game all wrong.